Welcome, beautiful people. Ito yung bagong Canyon Sender 6. So setup nito is 200mm front suspension, RockShox Boxer Select R. Then yung rear suspension natin is naka siya, RockShox din, 200mm. And then when it comes to yung cockpit natin, so meron tayong handlebar na race face. And then yung natin, yung stem is across. And then I modify yung grip, which is yung Nook Pro. When it comes to brake, so naka Code R tayo, 4 piston. So naka downhill setup siya. And crankset. So talk naman tayo about crankset. So naka Trubative Descendant SRAM from SRAM. And then setup for yung cassette natin is naka SRAM din siya, 7-speed for downhill. Rims are Sunringle, downhill with Maxxis Minion DHR. Gulong sa harapan, same din. So naka Sunringle siya na rims and then Minion DHR din. So same 2.4 downhill setup, so tubeless ready. So 27.5 yung wheel set natin, both front and rear. Alright, that's all.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.